All right, hello, and welcome back to this module. Okay, so let's go and check out. Okay, this is the module 3, and in this module, we're going to be importing the flow controllers. Okay, all right, so these are actually the soldiers that instruct the bot on what to do. Okay, so let's go get started with it. So let's go back to the autoresponder. Okay, sorry, let's go over to the autoresponder. I'm going to minimize, click on autoresponder. Okay, so from here now I'm gonna just go back and leave this screen. So when you are in the autoresponder home screen like this, you're gonna go up. Let me show you. Click this guy. Okay, where I have circled in red. Okay, just click it. Boom. Then click on import export. Okay, click it. Then click on import rules. Import rules. Then they're showing us two options here. Number one is overwrite. Number two is add. Sorry, let's go back. Mistakenly clicked it. Let me go again. Import, export. What am I pressing? Let's go there. Okay, import, export. Sorry. Okay, import rules. Now they're showing us two options. One is overwrite. Then the second one is add. Okay, what's the difference? When you write, when it's just like we have two rules that we created here already, like two automation flows that we created here. If we click on overwrite, it's gonna delete those rules and take over. All right, but if we click on add, that means the ones we created before is still gonna remain, and then these ones will be added to it. Okay, overwrite is just synonymous to replace. Okay, so overwrite means replace, but add means this one should stay. Leave and let's leave. That's just the bottom line of it. Okay, but I'm gonna actually say overwrite. Okay, because these other automations, we don't need them. Okay, all of these things are also part of what we're gonna do in this particular class right now. So I'm gonna click overwrite. Okay, so now you must have downloaded these rules already. I send them to you. Okay, I send them to you. So what you're gonna do is, if you have not downloaded these rules, just go over to the document I've provided you, and click on this rule for the WhatsApp autoresponder. I called it WA Auto to work. Okay, so you're gonna see it. Download it. It should be available in your downloads, okay, or any folder inside your phone that you downloaded it into. So once you do that and get there, it's pretty simple. What you're gonna do is just locate that file and then click on it. All right, follow everything we have done to this point and then locate the file and click on it to import it. Okay, they say rules imported. All right, are you seeing it? Good. Now we are done with the first assignment here. So we are going to go over to Tasker and do the same. Okay. Remember, these are the flow controllers. So I'm going to minimize and go over to Tasker. Tasker. Let's see. Tasker. So I'm going to click to open Tasker. Okay. You can easily stop reminding. So in Tasker also, you're going to do this almost the same thing. You're going to come over here, the parallel lines up there, dots. Okay, just click it, boom, and then click on data. Okay, data, then click on restore. All right, restore. Then you're gonna use local backup. Okay, local backup, allow. Okay, click on allow. Then missing permission, needs to have permission to manage storage. Okay, say okay. All right, good. So now toggle this and turn it on. Okay, then go back. Let's start again. Click on this guy, but if your screen didn't pop up like this, let me just go back so that's to show you. If that didn't pop up, okay, what you just do is to come back here, okay, the three dots, click it, and then click on data, exactly what we did before. Click on restore, and then click on user local backup. Okay, so now that you are here, click on this guy. Sorry, see this thing that looks like phone, click on it. Okay, boom, and then you will go and search for the folder where your stuff, your Tasker backup is also sent to. Look at mine here, Tasker. Wait, guys, I'm trying to show my people something. Don't be too fast. Let me go back. Sorry guys, let me go back. Data, restore, use local backup. Click on the phone icon. Then I put mine inside a folder. I downloaded it into this folder. Okay, so what you have to do is to locate yours wherever you downloaded it, and then click on it, open it, and then click on the backup. It's asking you, this will overwrite existing data. We have no data here, and even if we did, we don't care. We want to do something more important. So I'm going to say okay. Okay, the rules have been imported. Now, did you notice something? You can rewatch this video again after I've said what I want to say now. This place was the only place that had something like this building icon. There was nothing here before. So it's after we imported that something came here now. The auto contact regex came here. Okay. So what we're gonna do next, let me check. Okay, just after we are done with this, nothing else here. Nothing else here. Okay, let's just go and check our guide. Let's be sure of what we should be doing next. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to be editing the imported folders. Okay, we are going to do some editing, and the editing is going to be two-way editing. Okay, we edit on the autoresponder, we also edit inside Tasker, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, what this further means is that what is inside autoresponder should be the same that is inside Tasker for there to be correlation. Okay, they need to cooperate, they need to speak the same language so as to be able to deliver the expected results. Okay, now let's go over to autoresponder. Okay, now let me give you an example with this automation, the ultimate WhatsApp automation course. Here is that note that we made before. Okay, from the note they say, hi MJ, I want the ultimate WhatsApp automation course. My name is. So in this one now, you remember the first one, you copied the entire trigger word and then just pasted. But this is expert matching, so you don't have to copy every single thing. What you would do is to copy the defining words in your automation, the defining words in your trigger, okay? Which is in mine now, the defining word that actually defines the product, that calls the product's name, is this, the ultimate WhatsApp automation course. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it, the ultimate WhatsApp automation course. I'll copy it and then go over to autoresponder. So you see, I'm clicking that rule number 1, campaign 1. I'm clicking campaign 1. Okay, so here now you see there's a message here already, the ultimate WhatsApp automation domination, my name is. So I'm just going to highlight this and then to the place where they wrote domination. I'm going to delete that and paste the new one that I copied now. Sorry, I'm going to delete that. Okay, and then I'm going to paste. Okay, you just notice what happened there. you're going to paste this whole write-up, whatever it is that is your product's defining trigger words. You're going to paste it inside the bracket. You're not going to allow it to go outside the bracket, and nothing else should be attached to it. Okay, see, the ultimate WhatsApp automation course. My name is, you see this slanted what do they call it now, what they call this slanted line. Okay, don't remove it. Okay, don't even give space like this. No, don't try it. Just leave everything the way they are. You might be tempted to put star here and there, maybe to make it beautiful or to make it bolding, or don't do any of those things here. It's going to alter the entire automation rule. Okay, so just leave everything the way they are. The only thing you can do is inside that bracket, remove whatever is inside that bracket and add the name of your own product. Okay, so like this one now, you watching this video, you can remove this the ultimate WhatsApp automation course. You can now change it to maybe the ultimate guide to perfect makeup. Okay, or just anything that relates to your own kind of product. Just remove my own defining trigger and then put your own. That's exactly what you can do. All right, so when you are done with that, what else? You are going to also copy the same thing and go over to Tasker and do likewise. Okay, there, I'm going to save that by clicking the tick button. So go over to Tasker. Let's open up Tasker. The campaign we actually treated now is the campaign 1, which is the very first campaign. Leave these guys, leave these two things, don't touch them, allow them to be. They are doing some work, but they are not doing some work that you will see with your eyes. They are supporting all of these other operations here. So just click on campaign 1. Okay, so as you click it, you click this side, the right side. If you click the left side where there is autoresponder, it's going to give you a different menu entirely, a different interface. So click this guy, this campaign 1, just click on it. Okay, so now that you have clicked on it, you come to simple match regex and click it. Then scroll down to where you see that here now you have exactly something that looks like what you have on WhatsApp. So the only thing you can still do is exactly what you did on WhatsApp. Edit the content. Okay, from here, okay, all here should be out. Okay, all of the places are shaded should be out. So to take them out, just place your cursor and then delete everything. Make sure it doesn't affect the bracket. Okay, the bracket should be there and there should be no space. So I'll just paste this, the ultimate WhatsApp automation course. My name is, okay. All right, so what you're gonna do now is, you remember, you're copying exactly what you had on WhatsApp, you're bringing it over to Tasker. Okay, so when you are done with that, you just click on back button. Click your back button, 1, click on it again. Okay, then you come down to add contacts. Okay, click on add contacts. I'm going to show you what you would do. Then click on this pen icon here to open more details about that one. So you see this %empty/groups2 is actually the code that represents the name of the client, anybody's name that it is. So if it's Justice that is messaging you and gives his name as Justice, then this empty group 2 means that the bot should call Justice. Okay, if the person's name is Juliet, Justina, the bot is gonna identify and be able to recognize the name and be able to call the name. So but this other one at the right end of this line is actually a tag, okay, attached to each campaign. This is exactly what you can use to know the leads that you are generating from a particular campaign. And when you're interacting with any of them, you know the people you are interacting. Okay, if you are doing WhatsApp bulk follow-up you're gonna actually enjoy this much more. You're gonna know the benefit of this because it's gonna help you. Let's say, for instance, I say LPG as the no, let me see, TWAC training. TRAIN. Okay, TWAC training. So that means any number that saves now, this bot will automatically attach this word TWAC training to the end of the name of that person. Let's say, for instance, is somebody that is called Kingsley that is chatting me. The bot is going to save the person's name as Kingsley TWAC training. Okay, don't worry, you're going to understand more about this. It's going to make a lot of sense to you. So when you are done setting up this attachments, you scroll down. Don't touch any other thing, please. Don't touch any other thing here. Scroll down to the place they wrote accounts. Okay, from the accounts, you're going to click on accounts. Then you change the account to your own account. Okay, good. So you change it to the email, your own email address. Like as this one is here, my own email address is what's here. So you're gonna click on this thing that looks like search icon, okay, to search for your own email that is logged into your phone, and then you select the one that you want to use, okay, and then you click on OK. Those are the two things you need to do there. So click on, tick this icon here, done. Okay. All right. So what else are we supposed to be doing? Let's go and also check the notepad to be sure. Okay. Hold on a sec, guys. All right, good. Now let me open this. Okay, editing. Okay, so in the next class, we're gonna look at how to train your bots to actually respond like a real human being. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in the next class, guys.